Okay, so let us today start with question number 26. So how is this sum different from the earlier sum that we had taken, question number 27? Let's see. 100 skilled workmen, 40 semi-skilled workmen and 60 unskilled workmen. So you have three categories of labor. तो labor type कितना है? 3. Skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled. Okay. So this 100, 40 and 60, what is this? This is number of workers. Count दिया है. Fine. They were working for 30 weeks. Okay. So this 30 is your standard output, students. जनरली स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट यूनिट्स में दिया रहता है, राइट? बट इस सम में स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट वीक्स में दिया है. इट्स ओके, राइट? टू गेट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जॉब कंप्लीटेड, द स्टैंडर्ड वीकली वेजेस, तो द स्टैंडर्ड रेट is 60, 36 and 24 respectively. The job was actually completed in 32 weeks. So this is your actual output. Okay? आपने सोचा था 30 वीक्स में काम हो जाएगा, बट एक्चुअली आपको 2 हफ्ते और लगे काम कंप्लीट करने में. So by 80 skilled, 50 semi-skilled and 70 unskilled workmen who were paid 65, 40 and 20 rupees respectively. So this is my actual rate. Okay. Calculate the relevant variance pool. So what are we doing? Labor. So this is what relevant variance you will calculate? Labor. Simple as that. Okay. Yeah. So the first step will be, obviously, you have to compare your output. Yeah. So my standard output is 30 weeks. My actual output is 32 weeks. So I will equate it, obviously. Okay. So write it down. So this is obviously unequal. तो unequal है तो हमें पता है हमें क्या करना है, उसको equal करना है. Okay. तो हम उसको equal कैसे करते हैं? By making it, equating it to your actuals. Yeah. So you will be making a labor cost statement. First column will be labor type, second will be given standards. Okay. Now students, just understand standard as, just a minute, I want to show you all something, just a minute. Okay. Standard as and standard rate, when we multiply them we get the amount column. Okay. Okay. Now when I am revising my standards from given standards, when I am revising my standards, सो आई डोंट नीड दिस अमाउंट कॉलम. इसका कोई एक्चुअली यूज़ ही नहीं है. हमने अभी तक इतने सम्स किए हैं, आप लोग ने देखा होगा, एक्चुअली इस कॉलम का कोई यूज़ नहीं है. बिकॉज हम तो वंस वी रिवाइज द स्टैंडर्ड्स वी टेक इन टू कंसिडरेशन द रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड्स का कॉलम फॉर अवर कैलकुलेशंस ऑफ फॉर्मूलेज, राइट? या सो वी कैन नाउ इग्नोर दिस स्टेप. तो नाउ इफ यू सी, I have made standard as standard rate, but see, I have not made the standard, I mean the amount ka column, okay, because it is not required. Even if you make it, yeah, so it will save your time also. बनाओगे भी तो उसका use नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है? Clear everyone? So in this sum, I have not made the cost ka, I mean the amount ka column, okay? Now next thing that you have to remember is, yeah, I have always been telling you, when I am saying standard as, इसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग होता है स्टैंडर्ड लेबर आवर्स. ओके. और यू हैव डन ऑलरेडी लेबर कॉस्टिंग इन योर लोअर स्टैंडर्ड्स. सो लेबर आवर्स कैसे मिलता है? नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स मल्टीप्लाइड विद नंबर ऑफ आवर्स. नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स मल्टीप्लाइड विद नंबर ऑफ आवर्स वर्कड. सो आपको नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स दिया है, हाँ, 100, 40 एंड 60. एंड नंबर ऑफ आवर्स वर्कड भी आपको दिया है, यस, 30 वीक्स. 30 वीक्स you have worked. Okay, that means 30 hours you have worked. Okay, so 100 number of workers multiplied with the number of hours. Okay. That is your labor hours, 30 labor hours. Fine. So 100 into 30, then 40 into 30, and then 60 into 30. You see, 3000, 1200 and 1800 hours. ठीक है, एक एक वर्कर ने 30-30 घंटे काम किया है. तो अगर 100 स्किल्ड वर्कर्स ने काम किया तो 3000 स्किल्ड आवर्स चले गए, सेमी स्किल्ड के 1200 एंड अनस्किल्ड के 1800. ओके, या एंड स्टैंडर्ड रेट इज गिवन 60 रुपीज 36 एंड 24. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट एक्चुअल्स. सेम लॉजिक फॉर एक्चुअल्स ऑल्सो, सेम लॉजिक. Number of workers 80 multiplied with 32 hours, so 2560. Number of workers 50 multiplied with 32 hours, 1600. Number of workers 70 multiplied with 32 hours. Okay, plus 1600 plus 2560. So my total actual hours is how much? 6400. Okay, 6400. Multiply 2560 into 65 is 1,66,400. Okay, and you guys press the M plus button because shortcut है ये. Next 1600 into 40 equal to sign 1600 into 40 equal to sign, press M plus, then 2240 into 20 equal to sign, press M plus, and last May you guys press MRC button, you will directly get this total 2,75,200. So what is that? That is my total actual cost. Okay, I cannot use your system, calci doesn't allow, so I am doing the long cut way. I'm adding OC. Anyways, whichever method you follow, it is going to, it will give you the same answer. But try to follow the techniques and tricks so that your time is saved in exam. ठीक है, ये भी हो गया. या नाउ लेट अस रिवाइज द स्टैंडर्ड्स. ओके, रिवाइजिंग द स्टैंडर्ड्स मतलब डूइंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. या तो उसके लिए भी मैंने आपको शॉर्टकट मेथड सिखाया है, राइट. या 30 आवर्स में 3000 इज स्किल्ड आवर्स, सो 32 में कितना बराबर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ना हम. तो व्हाट आर वी एक्चुअली डूइंग? Actual quantity, actual output 32 divided by standard output 30. Press the equal to sign, multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, yeah, that is the shortcut that I taught you. Yeah, okay, practice with the shortcut method. Okay, so 32 divided by 30, that's the formula. Actual output upon standard output, equal to sign and multiplication sign 2 times. Then press 3000, type 3000, press equal to 3200. Okay, then type 1200, press equal to. Now this will not take it, system general. Yeah, so 32 divided by 30 into 1200, 1280. 32 divided by 30 into 1800, 1920. Okay, but you guys just type 1200, press equal to, type 1800, press equal to, you will directly keep getting the answer. Okay, total this and keep. So coincidentally, my total standard hours are also same to my total actual hours. Generally, they are not same. Yeah. Multiply 3200 into 60, 1,92,000. Press M plus, 1280 into 36. Press M plus, 1920 into 24. Press M plus, and then you guys directly press the MRC button. You will get the answer 2,84,160. Okay, And since there is more than one labor type, sorry, since there is more than one labor type, skilled, unskilled, semi skilled, right, three types hai. So revised standard mix is also possible in this sum. Okay, yeah. So make this column of revised standard mix, क्योंकि मिक्स वराइंस तो फाइंड करना ही पड़ेगा ना, एक से ज़्यादा लेबर टाइप यूज़ किया है आपने. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट व्हाट वी हैड इन मटेरियल, एक से ज़्यादा रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ किया तो मटेरियल मिक्स वराइंस कैलकुलेट होगा. ओके, या. तो इसका भी शॉर्टकट टेक्निक था ऑब्वियसली, टोटल एक्चुअल आवर्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स. जो आपको फाइंड करना है उसको डिनोमिनेटर में रखने का. ओके, या. तो टोटल, now coincidentally in this question 6400 divided by 6400 is 1. 1 divided by any number is the same number, right? So 1 into 3200 will give me the same answer. One two eight zero multiplied with 1 1280, 1920 multiplied with 1920. Okay, so coincidentally the revised standard mix is equal to revised standard hours. Okay, yeah. So this completes my step 1. Everyone has noted down step 1? हो गया नोट डाउन करके? Okay, now come to step 2. Yeah. Calculation of formulas. Okay, so step 2 में first is LCV, labor cost variance, total standard cost minus total actual cost. Okay, total standard cost minus total actual cost. So 2,84,160 minus 2,75,200. So 8960 favorable. It's positive answer. So F, favorable. Then labor rate variance, standard rate minus actual rate into actual hours. So I have three different standard rates and I have three different actual rates. Okay, 60, 36, 24, 65, 40 and 20 multiplied with their actual hours. So 60 minus 65 into 2560. 12,800 adverse. Next. 30, 36 minus 40 into 1600. 6,400 adverse. Next. 20, 24 minus 20 into 2240. 8960 favorable. ठीक है. माइनस माइनस प्लस बराबर. सो 12,800 plus 6,400, 19,200 with a negative sign, don't forget, minus 8960. Minus plus is minus. So 10,240 with a minus sign, adverse. Basic maths, the number that has the number which is the highest number, uska whatever sign is there, that will be taken as the final, yeah, answer sign. Okay, then labor time variance. Okay, labor time variance, standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. Okay, so these are my related standard hours, actual hours, and standard rate. Solve the equation, you will get this answer. 3,200 minus 2560 into 60, 38,400 favorable. 1280 minus 1600 into 36, 11,520 adverse. 1920 minus 2240 into 24, 7680 adverse. Okay, minus minus is plus, don't forget that. तो ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएगा, 11,520 plus 7,680, so 19,200 negative. Okay, minus this 38,400, so 19,200, but 38,400 is the highest number which has a plus sign, so my final answer will be 19,200 F. I hope I'm clear till here to everyone. Next, labor mix variance. So revised standard mix minus actual mix into standard rate. Okay, revise standard mix minus actual mix into standard rate. So 3,200 minus, if you look into this na bacha, it is similar to your labor time variance. Check karo ek baar, see, values are same. Okay, yeah, coincidentally, huh? Generally labor time variance is not equal to mix variance. The same logic will be used. Yeah, so note it down. Okay. Next, labor idle time variance. So इस सम में तो नहीं है, आइडल आवर्स नहीं दिया है. So idle hours into standard rate. So in this sum, this formula is not applicable. And last is labor efficiency variance. Okay. Same formulas like what we use in material. The only difference is वहाँ हम quantity लेते हैं, इधर हम hours लेते हैं. Okay. इधर हम labor hours लेते हैं. I mean. So 6,400 in this sum. Total standard hours and total actual hours are same. So bracket में zero आएगा. तो zero multiplied with anything, the final answer is zero. Okay. And average standard rate निकालने का there are two ways. First, total standard cost upon total standard hours. Same what we did in raw material variance. Same. और या तो आप average निकाल लो सब price का. But I told you the second one doesn't serve the purpose for the third step. So it is always advisable to follow this. Total standard cost upon total standard hours. ओके. फिर लास्ट में हमें क्या करना है, अपना इक्वेशन टैली करके देखना है. बराबर. So my right hand side should be obviously equal to my left hand side. Okay, so labor cost variance should be equal to your labor rate variance and labor time variance. Okay, so my labor rate variance is how much? 10,240 minus plus is minus 19,200. So it is equal to, obviously 19,200 is a highest number. So final answer will have the sign of the highest number. So 8960. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते थे ना. Yeah. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो 19,200 minus 10,240. ओके. आपको फिर चेंज करने की जरूरत. हाँ, 8960 पॉजिटिव. And last, time variance is equal to mix plus idle time plus efficiency. Idle time तो इस सम में नहीं है. Efficiency is 0. 19,200 and time variance is also same. So my LHS obviously in this sum is equal to my RHS.